Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, in 30 days 30 logos, presented to you by me, David from Grayfish Design, we've got an email from Linda Bishop. Hello! Anchor is a clothing line for the nautical lovers. Many of our products are actually produced with recycled boat sail material. We're looking for a fairly simple logo that of course features the iconic shape of an anchor. While blue is obvious for color, we'd like to try something outside of blue. We want to be more modern and fun and don't want to use something so expected. This logo will be used on our shirts, polos, pants, tags and all other types of apparel. Feel free to go any direction with text, but it is not required at this time unless the logo is part of the text. Linda Bishop, Anchor. What would you rate my British accent? Tell me in the comments below. So this will be a nice one. A clothing line, we've not done this before. I wonder how comfortable recycled sail material is to wear. But anyway, let's get into the logo. I started sketching the word anchor with the anchor being the O and the R being a flag and then anchor being within an anchor. Anyways, I just set out to make an anchor using some circles and lines and the shape builder tool, which is Shift M. It's a really handy tool as well. Then I made some arrows at the end of the anchor and I made it thicker and I expanded it so it wouldn't be too thick when I size it down. Then with the rotate tool, which is R, I duplicated the anchor 6 times in a circle. And a good tip for this is if you know how many times you want to duplicate it in a circle, in the rotate tool, just type 360 divided by the amount of duplicates you want. It will automatically calculate the amount of degrees needed to duplicate them. So that's that. Then I thought it looked pretty cool as a logo and I set out to find a serif font in capitals because I just thought that would fit the best. So I found Dido and I put it underneath the anchors and it looked pretty cool. So the logo was pretty much finished for my opinion. I just made the black and white versions and I'm really happy with the final result. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The final images and their mockups can be seen on my site, which is also linked down below. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in the next episode of 30 Days 30 Logos.